Hello everyone, it's your boy Keys. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Keys Tube. For today, we'll be looking at the FIO Protocol. They are doing an Airdrop giveaway for 20 FIOs. So they're giving out 20 FIOs to each user that registers on their platform and partakes in their quiz questions. So we'll be making use of these four applications on the screen here: Coinmarketcap, Play Store, Edge, Binance. So what you need to do is that you go over to Play Store, type in the search button Coinmarketcap. You can see it here. I've already installed the application. So okay, and there's no need for us to do install it again. So the next one is Binance. Binance. I believe most of us must have registered on Binance. If you've not, you just download it on Play Store. It's available on iOS too, iOS devices. So it says here I need to update. I'll update it. I'll be updating it later. Next one is Edge. Edge is the one I'm using for this tutorial. There are other ones too. You see it on the official website. So click on Edge. I've already installed it, so you can leave it. So what you need to do once you downloaded these applications, just go back to CoinMarketCap, click on open the application. So it's currently loading. You register, make sure you register with the same address that you're going to use in this whole process. So when you register, you click on this search button right here. Click on the search button. What CoinMarketCap does is that they give out news info. So if you need trending news about cryptocurrencies, both the ones that are listed in Binance and other platforms and the ones that are not listed, that they give so many informations, and they are one of the best platforms you can be able to get updates on cryptocurrencies. So you just click on FIO and click on the search button. Click on FIO, click on the search button. I think the search results should pop up any moment from now. I think because of the network. Okay guys, you can see that's the first one on the list there, FIO Protocol. So you click on it. Okay, you can see the price of the FIO is about $0.31 now, and it says here that the live campaign, the end campaign for FIO Protocol is currently live. So on CoinMarketCap there are so many end campaigns, but currently the one that is live now is this FIO Protocol, which I encourage you to make use of. So it says here you can read more about the project, but once you click on that first link there, it tells you that the FIO Protocol is going for 20 FIOs, and the airdrop is starting by May 1st. So you can register your own FIO address here on the official website. So you can click on the official website. Let's go to the official website to register our own FIO. Mind you, I've already done my own registration, so this is just a tutorial about the step-by-step process. So guys, if this is your first time of coming to our YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, your comments. We'll be dropping updates. You can ask your questions. You can share these videos to your friends too. So what we do is that we drop updates on cryptocurrencies and how to make money online, as well as other trending opportunities for you. So this is the official website. It says claim your FIO address and it's free. So when you read about this FIO protocol, what they are trying to do, what is different from other platforms or other cryptocurrency and other platforms, is that they are trying to bypass the need for you to be using too many wallet addresses in receiving tokens or cryptocurrencies. So they are trying to make it customize a particular cryptocurrency wallet for you, so you can be able to utilize it in receiving your cryptocurrencies. So it says here, and it's already listed on Binance. You can check it up on Binance. It's listed already. So it said, number one, select a fully FIO enabled wallet and the list below. Register your own FIO address inside the wallet. Bonus: each week we are giving away. So for the giveaways and other benefits, you can click on that link to direct you. You can join them on social media and other platforms. So it said we can use any of these platforms to host our wallet. Can use any of these platforms to host our wallet. So basically I'm using this Edge already. I'm using the edge already. So what we need to do now is go back to our edge. You can click on this link, it will take you there, or take you to Play Store. So now we need to go back to our edge, and let me show you how it is. So we're clicking on the edge now. Clicking on the edge, open this application. So what you need to do, just register with the same email address as you use on your Coinmarketcap, or same email address that is linked to your Binance account, to avoid so you'll be eligible for this giveaway. So I'm going to pause this video so that it won't be too long. Sign in and show you the next steps. Hey guys, so the once you log into your edge application, this is what you should see once you're done with the whole application processes. So for new users, you're supposed to see just BTC, BCH and Ethereum. So what you need to do, just click on this add wallet button, and you can add any wallet and name it. Add the FIO wallet and name it whatever name. You can see here what I have here is Aki's Fiolet. So, and the price of this fuel is about 120 naira. The price is currently fluctuating. As about weeks back, it was about 87 naira or so. So I've not bought any one here. So you see the available balance here, they are all 0 nairas. But we're waiting to see how far the airdrop goes before making any further investment on this application. So now is required of you is that you click on this menu right here. Let's see it. You have to click on the menu right here. Click on your wallet. Okay, not your wallet, your FIO names and FIO requests. So you click on the FIO names to register your own customized wallet. Click on the FIO names to register your own customized wallet. So the thing is that once you register your own customized wallet, it's supposed to be at what do you have it? It's supposed to be in form of an email address. That's how it's supposed to look like. So I just clicked on it. We're having some network issues here, so that's why this whole process is kind of limiting. Step is limiting, but we'll try as much as possible to make this video as short as possible. So it's loading. I'll pause this video. Uh, go on, God. We are currently having network issues here. So guys, I just clicked on the FIO names. That's the basic the place that you need to go to. So once you've done, you added your wallet, and you click on this icon of you click on the FIO names. It should show you this page here, FIO address. So for me now, I've done my registration. That's actually is at edge. That's my FIO address. That's my FIO name. That's my FIO wallet. That is linked to my wallet there. So what you need to do is you can just click on register new FIO address, or you can register custom field domain, so whichever you want to do. So let's say I want to click on the register field address. Let's see. Okay, register custom field domain. Let's see. So guys, when you click on this register field domain, the one that has this @ sign here, you should see this. So you can click on the next step. So guys, is that we're currently having some network issues with this Edge application. So we'll be heading to Binance to pick up, and there's a code that you'll be needing for in this application. So let's go so that I'll show it to you. Then we move to the quiz and questions because of time. But mind you, once you go to the Edge application, just click on your field name. You can either register your customized domain or your field domain, but mind you, it's supposed to be free. It's supposed to be free, so you're not supposed to pay anything. So choose the option that tells you that it's free. It's going to redirect you to uh, Chrome or your browser, where you can input the name of the your customized name or your username that you want, and it's going to be at Edge. It's going to be like, for mine is Aki is at Edge. So whatever one that you choose, it's supposed to show you. And you click on process. When you click on process, it's going to process the whole application for you. It's going to click on successfully registered, that your username has successfully registered. So now I just logged into my Binance application. For those people that have Binance, this is the code you'll be needing here. Once you click on your icon here, you should see about there are some digits of codes here close to where they wrote verified. So this number that is showing ID, the 93440, this is the number you need. So you just click on copy these digits. So you see my account is verified. I'm done with the whole notification. So I'll be dropping a video about making withdrawals, depositing, doing your peer-to-peer transactions on this platform. So if you need that video, kindly drop your comment, and what or whichever challenges you're having, just drop it on the comment section, and hopefully we'll attend to it as soon as possible. So now let's head over to the quiz section. So guys, since you're done registering on the Edge platform and clicking the details on the Binance application, you can now go back to the Coinmarketcap and click on the search button. The field will pop up, and the first link there, when you click on it, it is in Coinmarketcap/n/field. You see it will take you to this page where it says learn and earn FIO Protocol. Mind you, you must have FIO address name on your browser. It should show you successfully. So what you do here, once you are done watching these 4 videos, I think there are about 4 videos, you just click on you can put your email address for notifications. You click on take the quiz. So I'm going to try and take the quiz now, so that you see the questions here, so that you know what you are up against. I think the questions are about 15 in number, but they are basically simple questions. I think you should be able to do this. This whole process shouldn't take you more than 30 minutes or so. This whole process shouldn't take you more than 30 minutes, especially if you've done your Binance registrations earlier on. So it's ready for few queues. Click on 15 questions next. So clicking on next, make sure you watch all the videos, because they will be asking you some questions. But with this tutorial, you will to get based on the questions that they are asking you. But it's still good you check it out. You click on I'm not a robot. Okay, I'm not a robot. It's loading. That's the question number 1. I'm not a robot. It's loading. So we are done with the I'm not a robot question number 2 now. So he said, please be careful, agree. So I click on agree. Yes. So please provide the email address. So that's why you need to put your email address. So that's my email address associated with Bloat platform. So now your Binance user ID, that's the one we copied. So this is it. This is mine there. Just imputed it. It's about 9 digits or so. So what is the maximum supply of FIO tokens? The maximum supply of FIO tokens is about 1 billion FIO. Either you put 1 billion FIO or you can just put 1 billion. So you can just put 1 billion and click on next. Said what is FIO Protocol? Decentralized this thing, a service that makes sending receiving easy to do across all blockchains. Yeah. What does the FIO protocol replace the need for wallet and a long complicated okay, long complicated public keys? So what can the FIO protocol be used for? Sending cryptocurrencies. Can put all of the above, but mind you need to get all questions, because that's what increases your chances of being credited. What is a FIO address? That's a customizable. FIO domains such as domain can be, I think that's a. So you are going to put your FIO wallet here. That's why I told you that you need to register your FIO wallet. So I'm done with all questions. So click on that's mine. So thank you for partaking in the quiz. Then you need to submit. So you can join them on Telegram and other platforms for more updates. Kindly click on the subscribe button, drop your questions, your whatever challenges you might face, and jump on these as soon as possible. I'll be dropping loads of other ones. So if you want the live simulation, just let me know. We'll drop them for you. Click on I'm not a robot. Once I submit this, I know it's not supposed to allow me, since I've submitted with my email address already. That particular email address, I've used it for submitting this tutorial already. So let's see. Once these are capture finished rolling, should tell us what you should be able to click the submit form. So I'm clicking on submit. Clicking on submit. It says sorry, only one entry is allowed. So guys, I encourage you, just jump on this, make sure you utilize it. I'll be dropping more updates on the FIO protocol. I think it's one that just started and it has good chances. So guys, till see in our next video. Peace out, one love. It's your boy Keys. Drop your comments, like button, your challenges. Peace out.